Introducing Peppa Pig, the 4-year-old whirlwind of energy and mischief. Peppa spends her days frolicking with friends like Susie Sheep, causing chaos with her little brother George, and occasionally tormenting poor Daddy Pig about his tummy. She's a light pink bundle of joy with a knack for getting into sticky situations, especially when muddy puddles are involved. Living with her loving family, including Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig, and her adorable brother George, Peppa's life is a whirlwind of laughter and adventure. She even has a pet fish named Goldie and a trusty sidekick, Teddy the Golden Bear. With her trademark red dress and infectious snort, Peppa is always ready for fun, whether it's dressing up for the winter chill or splashing around in her bright yellow raincoat. But watch out, because behind those rosy cheeks lies a cheeky streak that's always up to no good. Sure, Peppa can be forgetful, bossy, and downright stubborn at times. But she's quick to apologize when she realizes she's crossed the line. And while she may tease Daddy Pig mercilessly about his tummy, she adores her family and friends with all her heart. At playgroup, Peppa's confidence shines as she leads the way on exciting adventures, from camping trips to museum visits. And when special guests like Mr. Potato from Potato City drop by, you can bet Peppa's at the front of the line, eager for the next big thrill. But above all, Peppa's true passion lies in one thing: jumping up and down in muddy puddles, her laughter echoing through the air as she snorts with delight. With Peppa around, there's never a dull moment, just pure, unadulterated fun. Why do you like Peppa Pig? Tell in the comments section. When drawing, I rely on a reference picture, using my Sketcho, a 5 notebook divided into halves for 2 drawings per page. I opt for a micro-dip pencil and a good eraser. I believe in utilizing what's at hand and investing in better supplies later with the earnings from my art. I use my tablet to display reference images while drawing. When beginning a drawing, it's crucial to consider the space available. You can either fill the page with a larger drawing or opt for a smaller one, focusing on details. In my other videos featuring characters like Conan Detective, Tanjiro Kamado, and AI Ashino, I've drawn full-length, full-size images, which required considerable time for coloring and completion. Hence, a helpful tip for beginners is to draw pictures at around or 1/3 of the page's size to manage time effectively. Feel free to explore my other videos showcasing various characters and techniques, such as color pencils, watercolors, markers, and watercolor pencils. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and let me know which character to draw next. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my videos. Bye for now.